I no longer cry for you, no more pain, bitch. You took me for granted, took my heart and ran it straight into the planet, into the dirt. I can no longer stand it now.
Hey guys, it's me, Jess Cup Stacking, and today is Friday. And that means that there should be an episode of me. Didn't really make sense, but just want to let you know that there was no Monday vlog because I was kind of busy looking through photos and videos and such from PEI, and I got back last Saturday. Sorry for the wait, but this coming Monday that's coming up, I'm going to put up my parts of videos. So the first part will be Monday, second part, and so on. I did get a chance to go to Isaac's, or Funky Monkey 7373's house, and as you may know from his channel, his birthday was yesterday, and he got an airsoft gun and a capo for his acoustic guitar, and I got a chance to go to his house, which means that I did get to use his airsoft gun, and I did film some. Do some shooting. Alright.
Do you guys see the target down there? The target.
Oh, this thing's so fucking tough. Make the shot. You missed.
Capo. Continue.
No, I can't hit it. That was good.
Cause you suck. Anthony!
That was you. Really nothing to talk about this Friday, but I do have some Minecraft, so I'm gonna just speed that up so you can just watch me build stuff. So we'll see you on Monday, and we'll see you in PEI. Well, sort of. Anyway, peace.
I remember I used to serve drinks at this local joint, cause I was broke, but my focal point was this wasn't no regular bar. It was a spot where robots were ready to spar. And one night Megatron rolled in. He ordered Pennzoil, drank it straight from a can. His plan was to go and get wasted again, standing next to Mega Man with a drink in his hand. Rambunctious, hoping to lay that lady from the Jetsons, Rosie the maid, said, "Hey baby, let me know your cards. We can put our metal together, produce a spark." No, she was praying for a man to defend her from the offender. Her friend Bender walked in and clocked and socked him in the jaw. Then he saw Dr. Robotnik, and Robotnik was about to attack, and Terminator grabbed a bottle saying, "I'll be back." Cause he knew Megatron for a couple of years, hit Bender with a bottle and it busted his gears. Ha 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 ha. He screamed, "It's a robot bomb fight!" And Robocop busted in to stop him, started shooting at Robotnik. Blocker! Bullet hit Robotnik in the esophagus. One grazed the shoulder of Maria from Metropolis. Before Robocop could say he was sorry, in jumped her boyfriend. Wally rolled up pretty upset. He took Robocop's stun pistol, whipped him in the neck, and everybody ran. He was fixing to shoot at R2 and C3PO kissing in a booth.